Assalamu alaikum. I'm your host Muhammad Munib Ali. Channel name is Munib Horticulturist. Today the topic of discussion regarding horticulture is TDS. TDS means total dissolved solids. Normally we estimate the water availability before launch to be made, and we think on the second priority about its salt behavior. Salt testing means to check the TDS, and as per the water TDS available, we must have to select the different varieties of grasses, plants, trees and shrubs for the great survival and for long-term garden usage. There are two options. In first option, we can consider the TDS. In second option, we can ignore the TDS. First option, if we will consider the TDS, that would be good for us because we have a chance to select those varieties of grasses, trees, shrubs and plantation which can survive against the available TDS. In second option, if we will ignore the TDS, it would be difficult for us because we have to purchase sweet water by the outsource, which is not cost effective matter. There are three different ranges of TDS. First range, if we have a TDS less than 500, that water is safe for our vegetation and plantation. Second range, if we have a TDS in between 500 to 1500, that water is possibly safe. Third range, if we have a TDS more than 1500, that water is not safe for our vegetation and plantation. In my hand you can see this is TDS testing meter. This is very easy to purchase and easy to operate. Its working is very simple. Just you have to open it and you have to do on. Fill the half of the glass of water. You have to insert it into the water for 3 to 4 seconds, and within few seconds it will tell us the actual TDS of available water, and we would be in that zone. We can consider either this water is suitable or not for our vegetation and plantation. To keep this TDS testing meter with us is not a difficult task, but if we will keep this with us for all the time, definitely it would show our progress or technicality or professional behavior. And it is easily available from any of the horticulture store, any of the horticulture outlet. Next I'll come with the new topic regarding horticulture. Till then, stay safe, keep watching. Assalamu alaikum.